Good morning, children. Now this is 8th class social studies, children. So we completed first lesson, second lesson. Now this is the third lesson. In the third lesson also we discussed many points, children. What is the third lesson? Earth movements and seasons. So the earth movements, I said in the previous video, earth movements, two movements. Okay, the earth is moving itself and going around the sun. So moving itself, due to the moving itself, we are experiencing day and night. Okay, it is going around the sun. We are experiencing seasons also. Okay, children, sometimes it is near to sun and sometimes it is far from sun. Okay, next the angle also, the shape also we discussed. Next, children, I said three reasons are there for occurring seasons upon the earth. What is that? Curvature of the earth. This is the first reason. Second one, earth's rotation and its own axis. Okay, children. So now we discussed these two in the previous video. Now this is the third reason, earth's tilt and revolution around the sun. Okay, children. In the online class also I showed the globe. So what is the position of the earth? Not this exact one, children. It tilt 23.5 degree. Not like this, children. It tilt 23.5 degree. That means this is 90 degree, children. So you can subtract 66.5. Then you can find 23.5. Okay, children. I wrote here. Look, children. 99 degrees minus 66.5. So how can you find 23.5? So this is the exact angle of the earth. Now it is the position of this one and it is moving like this. When it is rotating itself and it is going around the sun. Okay, children. Next one here, if you carefully observe, at the north side in night time you can see one star, that is called polar star. It is in the north side of the sky, children. Okay, so this is called polarity of axis, because it will not move, children. Why? Because it is the position of this one and moving like this. So that is why we are experiencing the same position at any time in our night time in north sky, the polar star. Okay, next, children, how about the revolution? It will take place 24 hours, that is called one day, and when it is moving around the sun, it will take place one rotation 365 days. 365 days plus 5.56 hours. Okay, so that is the one completion of earth rotating around the sun position. Okay, children. Now we are considered this is 1 year. Okay, the remaining hours we will add every 4 years, that is called leap year. In that leap year, especially in month of February, 29 days are there. Okay, children, so we know this information. Next, children, in southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, so we know this is the earth. So one tropic of the equator, 0 degree latitude is called equator. Okay, children. Now look at, children. So for example, this is earth. So this is 0 degree latitude, it is called equator. So now, children, this is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. Okay, now look, children, when it is moving itself, the atmosphere conditions are differ from northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, children, if it is in winter in northern hemisphere, we can experience southern hemisphere summer. If it is summer, if it is winter here in northern hemisphere, it is summer. Okay, children. So that is also differ due to the rotation and revolution around the sun, etc. Next, children, March month. At March month, what happened? The sun rays directly fall upon equator. In which month, children? March month. Next one, and in June month, the sun rays directly fall upon the Tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere. Actually, Tropic of Cancer is in northern hemisphere. Now look, children, so this is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, in northern hemisphere. So when sun rays directly fall June month, okay, here June month, okay children, in March month equator, sun rays directly fall upon equator in the month of March. Next one, in September children, the sun rays fall upon directly again equator. So here March month and September month, the sun rays fall upon directly upon equator. Okay. Next one, December month sun rays fall directly upon Tropic of Capricorn. Look children, so this is the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. It is in southern hemisphere. Okay, Tropic of Cancer is in northern hemisphere. Now look children here, sun rays directly fall upon equator 2 times. What is that? In May month, in March month, and also in September month. Okay. Next to sun rays fall directly fall upon Tropic of Cancer in the month of June. So this is June month. Next to sun rays fall upon directly upon Tropic of Cancer in the month of December. So here this is Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn. So this is December month. This is June month children. Okay. So that is the information. Next children, here look children, what is tropical belt, what is temperate belt, what is polar zone. Now look at, I want to show you what is the tropical belt. Now look children, so from 0 degree to equator to 23.5 degree north latitude, that is called Tropic of Cancer, and from 0 degree to here in southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn. So this area is called tropical zone. What area this is? Tropical zone. Next children, if you go from in the northern hemisphere 23.5 degree north latitude to up to here, and if you go up to here, this area and this area is called temperate zone. Temperate zone. Our India, South India locates in tropical zone. Our North India locates in temperate zone. So that is why South India receives high temperature, North India receives low temperature. Okay children. Next children, polar zone. What is polar zone? Look children, this is 90 degree North Pole. This is 90 degree South Pole. Okay children. So these areas not receives temperature, so these areas are far from sun rays. So that's why almost snow covered upon Arctic Ocean waters. Okay children, upon the land also throughout the year. Okay, so that's why they are receiving low temperature, almost no temperature. So that's why the snow covered upon the land and also water bodies as a thick layer. Next children, here June 21st to the sun rays fall upon directly Tropic of Cancer, and March 21st also. Next to September 23rd also sun rays fall upon equator children. Next to December 22 also sun rays fall upon Tropic of Capricorn. Okay children. Now what about polar zone? Here this is polar zone children. Okay, for example, if the sun is here, the rays is like this children. Okay, it is far from the sun rays, so that's why it will take, the sun rays take very little amount children. That's why 6 months there is no daytime and 6 months there is no night time. So that is the position of North Pole and South Pole children. A light daytime will be experienced in that continuously 6 months, and night time also continuously 6 months experiencing in this polar zone children. So that is about. Next one, at summer times what will happen? A little amount of temperature will receiving by these areas. So that's why what is the snow will be changing and melting as water children. So that's why upon the earth we can see some kinds of small plants. For example, moss, lichen, and some kinds of flowering we can see. at summer areas on those areas, children. Okay, children, now I want to show you pictures also. In the previous online class I showed the globe, children. Okay, next to here you look at now, children, look, children, I will explain once again the same matter what I taught you upon the blackboard a few minutes ago. For example, this is sun, children. Okay, so this is the orbital path. So this is the path. Look, children, sometimes it is near to sun, children. Here also. Sometimes it is far from sun, children. So here also. In which month it is near, children? From earth to sun. The earth near to sun March 21st and also September 21st. 23, sorry. Okay. Next, look, children, in which month? Far from sun, June 21st. Now here also June 22. But you observe, children, here this is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. Now look, children, here. Okay. Spring in north. March 21st, spring in north. That means far from sun. But which area is near to sun? Southern hemisphere. Look, children, southern hemisphere. Okay. Now you go to the second picture here. Now look, children. The earth tilt to 23.5 degree. Okay, so that's why the sun rays directly fall upon this. Okay. Next, look, children, this is far and this area is near. Again, this is the southern hemisphere is far from sun. Northern hemisphere is near to sun. Which month, children? June 21st. Okay. Now look, children, once this picture. September 23rd. Spring in south. Autumn in north. Now look, children, what is this? This is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. Now look, this is Tropic of Cancer. So this area. Okay. Now you look at once again this picture. Now which hemisphere is near to sun? Southern hemisphere. North hemisphere is far. Okay. So now look, children. So the sun rays directly fall upon Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn on December 22. Next, here also the sun rays fall directly upon Tropic of Cancer. Which date? June 21st. Look, children, June 21st. So that is the difference, children. So this is the path of the earth, children. This is called orbital path. Look, children, this is the orbital path. Okay. The earth is not like this 90 degrees. It is tilt 23.5 degree. So that is why seasons are occurring when it is revolving around the sun. Okay. So next, children, equinoxes. March 21st and September 23. Look, children, where March 21st and September 23. Day and night almost equal. Almost equal in all parts of the earth. Here and here. So that's why they are called equinoxes. What they are called, children? Equinoxes. Okay, now, children, once look at this picture. A view of the earth from the moon. Look, children, this is moon, children. This is earth, children. Look, half of the portion we can see, children. Remaining half we cannot see. Okay, why? Because it is rotating itself. So that's the main reason. Next, you turn the page number, the same lesson, 38, children. This is polar region, children. Look, children, how the polar region. So I read to you here. Lights visible in northern polar region occur during the season when the sun does not rise above the horizon. Okay, we cannot see the sun rays, but we can experience at dawn time. So that is occurring in polar region, children. Continually 6 months light daytime and night time completely 6 months, because the polar region is far from the sun rays, and the earth position is tilt 23.5 degree. So that they are the main reasons. Okay, thank you, children.